Hello and welcome. I am so glad you are taking a few minutes to explore a topic that can make a real difference in your retirement years. My name is Kris McCullough, first as a Marine, now as a loan officer, helping people find clear, honest answers to their financial questions. Today, we're going to talk about reverse mortgages, but not in the way you might have heard about them before. We are going to peel back the layers of confusion and look at 5 surprising benefits that often get lost in the noise. My goal is simple: to provide you with friendly, straightforward information so you can feel confident and in control. So many people I talk to have heard whispers and warnings about reverse mortgages, often from well-meaning friends or outdated articles. These stories can paint a picture of risk and regret, but that is far from the complete picture. The truth is, for many older homeowners, a reverse mortgage is a powerful tool that can unlock financial stability and peace of mind without forcing them to sell the home they love. It's about using an asset you've worked hard for, your home equity, to live a more comfortable and secure life. Let's set aside the myths and look at the real practical advantages together. Think of your home equity as a savings account you've been contributing to for decades. A reverse mortgage is simply one way to make a withdrawal from that account, but on your own terms. It's not a government handout. It's a loan you've earned the right to consider. Over the next few minutes, we will walk through each of the 5 key benefits, step by step. Imagine your life without the weight of a monthly mortgage payment. For many retirees on a fixed income, this isn't just a dream. It's the most immediate and powerful benefit of a reverse mortgage. If you still have an outstanding balance on a traditional mortgage, a reverse mortgage can be used to pay it off completely. Once that's done, your obligation to make a monthly mortgage payment to a lender simply stops. This doesn't mean the loan is free. Interest insurance premiums, but the cash flow pressure is lifted from your shoulders each and every month. This newfound freedom can dramatically change your daily life. Think about what you could do with that extra few hundred or even a couple of $1,000s in your pocket every month. It could mean the difference between just getting by and truly enjoying your retirement. Healthcare, rising utility bills, groceries. Let's look at a simple example. Mary is a 72-year-old widow with a monthly mortgage payment of $950. Her Social Security income covers her basic bills, but there's very little left over for unexpected costs or any small luxuries. Mary decides to get a reverse mortgage which pays off her remaining mortgage balance. One of the best-kept secrets about reverse mortgages is how the proceeds are treated by the government. When you receive money from a reverse mortgage, lump sum monthly installments line of credit, it is considered loan proceeds, not income. Not classified as income, generally not subject to federal income tax. This allows you to access your home's equity without handing a portion to the IRS, leaving more money in your pocket. Funds aren't counted as income, so they typically do not affect Social Security or Medicare. You can draw funds to supplement your retirement income without reducing your monthly Social Security check or changing Medicare coverage. For example, consider John, who is 75 and lives on his Social Security and a small pension. He needs a new roof, $15,000. He's worried an IRA withdrawal is taxable and could increase his Medicare premiums. Instead, he uses his HECM line of credit. The funds are not taxable income and don't impact his benefits. For so many of us, our home is more than just a building. It's the heart of our world. It's where we raised our children, celebrated holidays, and built a lifetime of memories. The thought of having to sell that home simply to access the money tied up in it can be heartbreaking. This is where a reverse mortgage offers one of its most emotionally powerful benefits. It provides a way to turn your home equity into usable cash without forcing you to move out. It's the key that unlocks the financial freedom to age in place, right where you belong. Aging in place is about independence, social connections, and your daily routines. When you stay in your home, you remain part of your community. A reverse mortgage can fund safety upgrades, install a walk-in shower, add ramps or widen doorways, so you can live safely and independently. Betty and Sam used a reverse mortgage to add a chairlift and a walk-in tub, staying close to family. In retirement, one of the most valuable things you can have is peace of mind. The worry about unexpected expenses or outliving savings can cast a dark cloud. A reverse mortgage can lift that cloud by providing access to funds and eliminating a monthly mortgage payment. Tom opened a line of credit. He didn't touch the money. Just knowing it was there changed everything. When an appliance broke, he handled it without stress, protecting his savings. This isn't about extravagance. It's about living with dignity and without constant financial fear. The fifth and perhaps most strategically brilliant benefit is flexibility, particularly when you choose the line of credit option. Unlike a lump sum payout, a line of credit doesn't give you all the money at once. Instead, it establishes a reserve you can draw from as needed. You only pay interest on what you actually use. But here's the part few people know. The unused portion of a HECM line of credit grows over time. The growth rate equals the interest rate on your loan plus the mortgage insurance premium rate, so your available credit can increase, independent of your home's value. Linda opens a $150,000 HECM line of credit and doesn't touch it. She treats it as an emergency fund. After 10 years, automatic growth swells it to over $250,000. Later, when she needs in-home care, she draws from that larger reserve. It's a unique HECM feature, one of the most powerful retirement tools. Use it for health care, avoid selling stocks in a down market, or cover major home repairs. Use a little or a lot. The rest keeps growing. It's a dynamic resource that adapts to your life. We've covered a lot of ground today, so let's quickly recap. First, the freedom from monthly mortgage payments, which frees up cash flow for your daily life. Second, the tax-free nature of the funds, which helps protect your Social Security and your Medicare. Third, the ability to stay in your cherished home, aging in place with dignity and comfort. Fourth, the priceless peace of mind that comes from having a financial safety net. And fifth, the incredible flexibility of a growing line of credit. Of course, a reverse mortgage is a significant financial decision and isn't the right choice for everyone. It's a loan that accrues interest and fees, and the balance will grow over time, reducing equity for heirs. The first step for a federally insured HECM is counseling with an independent, HUD-approved counselor. This session protects you, reviewing costs, benefits, and obligations. Ask plenty of questions. Don't be shy. Request a clear breakdown of origination fees, mortgage insurance, and interest rates. Ask for 5, 10, and 15-year projections. Discuss your responsibilities, property taxes, homeowners insurance, and home maintenance. Thank you for taking the time to learn with me today. I'm Kris McCullough, retired Marine, loan officer, and owner of the KDM Team.